stupid is? Stupid is not knowing your numbers. A stupid business owner doesn't know all the numbers that are necessary to be super successful. Some of the ones they do know would be like profit margin. On every widget you sell, you know you make X percent. Most consider it markup, which is not equal to gross profit margin. Stupid is not knowing the difference between profit margin and gross profit margin, or markup to margin. So don't be a stupid business owner. Know your numbers. How many leads does it take to get you a customer? You would have to know your conversion rate. How many times does a customer come to you in a year to buy your products or services? What is the average dollar sale that every customer spends with you on average? Don't be a stupid business owner. Know your numbers. So don't be stupid. Get help from us or get help from somebody else. Just don't be stupid.